Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the Nerf. There's a Recon CS6. So if you follow me right here, yes, okay. Yes, that's a picture of my gun, funny. Okay, look, so there's the gun itself. No, this is it. Like, I didn't buy it like this. They just give it separately, not in different boxes. One box, but you get, this is the main gun. You just put a bullet and it'll work. So, the secret door's here, yeah, close it. And the things up on top, which is really uncomfortable, but people still love the gun. And the back handle looks cool, futury, see-through, but not a see-through where like there's holes and you can put anything. So yeah, and the usual normal bullet pack, as always. And I am getting a Deploy CS6, so watch out for that. This is how it goes. Bullet pack goes in. Of course, you have to pull this back, front, shoot. Okay, I didn't load the bullets. So yeah. Front handle, the front thingy. Yeah, real cool. They made it really awesome the way they do this. Yeah. This is the gun itself. I'm gonna go in. Yeah, this is it. Other side. Yeah, okay. So yeah, laser. Pretty cool. And there's this thing here which can make it bigger and lower. And as always, all the end strikes have a little hole. So yeah, that's all guys. And this thing, if you guys don't know, can go up and down. I really didn't know that. One of my friends told me. So, goodbye guys. See you.